A Moodle assignment is an interactive activity that helps in managing and organizing students' work online. Teachers can set various types of assignments in a module, and students can submit their work in different formats. The teachers then can mark, comment, grade and give feedback on their work. It is quite a powerful interface for it allows a lot of options. In this video, we'll see how to set up a Moodle assignment and look at the different features it provides. On the top here, turn editing on. Then select the section or the topic where you want the assignment activity. Then at the bottom of the section, click on Activity or Resource. From the pop-up panel, choose Assignment. In the Adding a New Activity page, give the assignment a name. Then in the description box, set up the task. Here it is writing a summary. In the task, one can add pictures, sounds and videos based on the activity. If the display description on course page is checked, the assignment is visible on the main course page. If left unchecked, only the link is displayed. The student must click on the link to see the assignment. If the task description is too long, it is advisable to leave it unchecked as it will take a lot of space on the course page. This setting here is to add additional resources for the activity. For example here, a video or an external link showing how to summarize can be added here. The assignment submission period is set here in the availability setting. This setting when enabled will show when the assignment is due, the start date of submissions, and the cut-off date, after which the student's submissions are not accepted. Checking the display option below will show these dates to the students when the assignment is announced. There are many settings in the next field. First one is the submission types, or how a student can submit his work. There are two ways. 1. A file submission, usually a PDF file, and 2. Online text, where the assignment is typed directly on Moodle. Here are examples of both types. To upload a file, the student opens the assignment, and uploads the assignment either by choosing the file from his computer and uploading, or by simply dragging and dropping the file into the submission field, and clicking Save Changes. A file upload is best suited for long assignments. The second type is online text submission. The student opens the assignment as before, but this time he chooses to type directly into the online text field, and saves. This submission type is best suited for answers in a short paragraph like in the summary example here. The maximum number of file uploads, size and file types are determined here. If accepted file types is left blank, any type can be uploaded. However, it is always a good idea to ask students to upload PDFs as they can be directly marked and graded using the annotation tools in the assignment. Lastly, the word limit can be set here for online text submissions. The next set of settings are the feedback types. Checking comments will enable both teacher and student being able to leave comments on a submission. Checking PDF annotation will bring up the PDF annotations tools to mark directly on a PDF file submission. If comment in line is yes, teachers can comment directly onto an online text submission. Submission settings add an extra layer of responsibility on the part of students. Students click on Submit to indicate a submission is final for grading. This blocks any future submission. Requiring students to accept submission statement is to confirm the ownership of the work against any kind of plagiarism. The number attempts a student can make is determined in the last setting. If the assignments are group assignments, then the group settings will have to be set. In the grade settings, the grade type, that is grade point or scale, grading method, simple or with a marking flow, maximum mark, and if necessary, grade to pass, and the grade category are set. Once all the settings are carefully entered, save and return to the main course.